Hey guys, welcome here at Brussels. Okay, we're at the Motor Expo in Brussels, and there's a lot of motorcycles, cars, mobility, kind of everything you want in one place. And we came here because it's really quiet, it's a press day, I can take pictures and videos and everything. So I'm super excited to show you guys around. Standing at Triumph, they have the Truxton RS, which you can see over there, the Rocket 3, which I'm going to highlight because they have one which is already sold out. They only made 750 of them, and I really wanted one, but I don't have the money for it. So I'm now standing at Triumph, and I'm going to show you the Triumph Rocket 3, and it has the most powerful engine ever made. And the version that I'm going to show you is almost fully made out of carbon, and it has an aero exhaust and all sorts of delicious things. But the sad thing is that you can't buy it anymore because there were only 750 made worldwide. So I think the lucky people who have bought this one can be very, very happy with it, because I definitely love the look and feel of this motorcycle. And I am going to try this one out, but then I'm going to try out, of course, the standard version, which you still can get. And let's show you this motorcycle. You can get the Triumph Rocket in a GT version, here with the bags, and also in the R version, which looks like this. Okay, but I can't be the only one that's seeing the Teletubbies vacuum cleaner in those headlights. I mean, okay, I need to compare it with a picture, maybe here. It looks exactly the same in my eyes. And this year I'm going to test ride a lot of bikes, including Triumph motorcycles, Indian motorcycles, and many, many more. So, who's excited? I definitely am. So what you definitely cannot miss is the Ducati stand, of course, with their Ducati red motorcycles, and here with me is the Ducati V4S, and it has a running weight of 195 kilos and the dry weight is 174. Trying to find a good light, and my theme song is playing in the background, as you can hear. Yeah, so I'm standing with the Harley-Davidson Livewire, and it has a minimum range of 158 kilometers, and it's fully electric. So Harley-Davidson came out with a full electric motorcycle this year, and it looks really nice, and I can't wait to try it out because I really want to know how it rides on the road. And with it being really small, I just sat on it, it feels really different and it doesn't feel that heavy, so I'm curious to try it out and see how it is on the road. So yeah. sitting on the Harley-Davidson FXDR, and it looks so nice, and it has 160 Newton meters and 1,800 cc's of power. And okay, I just told you that it looks really nice, so I'm going to show you how it looks like. Stand, and as you can see behind me, there is the Kawasaki ZH2, and it is a liquid-cooled 4-cylinder motorcycle, and it has 998 cc's. Stand, and this is the new Yamaha R6, and as you guys know, I have a Yamaha R6 from 2006, and I must say I like this one a lot, but I would love it in the Black Raven edition as the one that I have, just full black, wear a full black suit, everything, Catwoman. Indian stand, and behind me is the FTR 1200, and they have launched a new one this year in 2020, and that is the FTR Rally, and it looks like this.
Kun je telefoon koppelen met je muziek. Je hebt verschillende rijmodussen. Nou, hij laat even niet van de standaard regen en sport. Dan wordt hij van iets minder snappy naar nog meer snappy. Ja, je kunt je ABS kun je aan en uitzetten.
Zo. Gaan we terug. Ja.
Ja, je kunt via hier bedienen, via de touchscreen, en je kunt flipperen hier via de.
So there are not a lot of 125cc motorcycles that I would like to buy, but this one here and here, am I pointing at the right one? Yeah. Is the Benelli, and it's the Tornado Naked, and it has 125ccs, and it's only €2,500. So since I have my driver's license, motorcycle driver's license, and car driver's license, I can also ride on a scooter, and scooters are like, what is it, 50ccs, that's not that much. So if I get this one, I can go on the highway, and it's super small, I can put it everywhere, it's super light, so yeah, we were thinking about getting one of these.
Let's go, love. I'm saying it's tired of waiting, we can leave this whole place behind.
Super small, and I'm sitting really high on top, but it's not something that I would sit on with a friend on the back seat and go to the beach. Just for me, and hit the beach and just go, and don't ride on the highway because of course it's 125 cc's, so it doesn't have a lot of power, but that's okay because why get a scooter if you can get 125 cc small motorcycle? Brussel 1000 RR, and it is crazy how it looks like, the design, everything. It's really small yet really big, and I think the top speed is out of here. It has 153 kilowatts and 998 cc's of power. So what I wanted to show you guys on this motorcycle is that the seat is designed really specifically, really I don't know how to say it. It's designed differently, and I just sat on it and it sits amazing. And at first I didn't even knew that the seat was looking like this because I don't know, I was just looking at the front and the tail and whatever. But enough talking, let's show you the seat. From motorcycles to cars, and I'm currently sitting in a, can you see what it is? If I show the back seats maybe, or maybe if I show you the panel, yeah, then we know what it is. This is the Tesla Model S, and they still have the Easter egg with the Santa Claus in it, which is super fun. Bye. So we're now at the dream car section. I don't know if I've said that before, but behind me is the Lamborghini Urus, and it has a top speed that is crazy. It goes from 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. 3.6 seconds, that's crazy. And I've always wanted to get a Range Rover Evoque as my next car, but since they launched the Lamborghini Urus, I think I want to get that one, but it's a little bit more expensive. So I need to save a lot of more money. So it is not a secret that I have always wanted to own a Range Rover. This is the Range Rover Sport, but my favorite one was the Range Rover Evoque because the Sport is quite big, and I do like an SUV motorcycle, SUV car, but I much more like the Evoque, I think, but I still need to sit in that one because I haven't test ridden it yet or anything. So, but for now the Sport looks really good, right?
Driver, bring me to the candy shop.
So this was my day at the Brussels Motor Expo, and I hope you've enjoyed it because I definitely did. If you liked this video, then please give me a thumbs up and hit that bell notification button and hit the subscribe button and do everything and share it with your friends so that they can see it too. And until next time, bye.